How to create photo slide on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up TikTok. And once you do that, click on the plus icon at the bottom center. And as you can see right here, you will see a lot of options. Make sure that you are on the photo feature. And let's go ahead and upload our photos. Now, as you can see right here at the bottom left, you have the option to select multiple. So click on it. And let's select our pictures that we want to be in the photo slideshow, and let's click on next at the bottom right. Continue, and as you can see right here, these are your photos, and you can even edit this slideshow. You can add, for example, music, text, stickers, filters, just like you usually do. You can even crop it, and once you're done editing, click on next, and you will get to the posting section. You can here select a cover from these photos. You can even add text and stuff like that, and you can share anything you want right here. So for example, I will write random things just like you usually do, and here you have your settings such as privacy and the comments, etc. And once you are done, click on post. And as you can see, it has been posted, our photo slide. So let's go ahead and see it. It will look like this, something like this. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can make a photo slideshow on TikTok. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.